अस्सलाम वालेकुम व्यूअर्स। जैसा कि आप सब जानते हैं, हमारे यूट्यूब चैनल का नेम है राजू टेक्निकल 01। इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलिएगा और बेल आइकॉन भी प्रेस करना मत भूलिएगा ताकि हमारे आने वाली वीडियोस का नोटिफिकेशन आपको जल्द मिल सके। चलते हैं आज के अपने टॉपिक की तरफ। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है हाउ टू यूज़ योकट ऐप। वीडियो अच्छी लगे तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ ज़रूर शेयर कीजिएगा और वीडियो को लाइक करना मत भूलिएगा। कंटिन्यू करते हैं अपने टॉपिक को। हाउ टू यूज़ yocut ऐप। Currently, yocut is a free video editing app that offers a range of features for creating and editing videos. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced video creator, yocut can help you put together engaging content. Here's a beginner guide on how to use yocut. First is download and install yocut. yocut is available on both Android and PC platforms. You can download it from the Google Play Store for Android devices or from its official sites for PC. Once installed, launch the app. Second is basic features. Trim and cut. yocuts allow you to trim and cut video clips easily. Simply select the video you want to edit, drag the handles to adjust the start and end points, and save your charges. Splits. If you need to split a video into multiple segments, use the splits feature. It's handy for creating shorter clips or removing unwanted sections. Add music. You can add background music to your videos. Choose from the app's library of features music or upload your own video. Text and emojis. Enhance your videos by adding text or emojis. Customize font, style and placement. Speed controls. Adjust the playback speeds of your video. Speed up or slow down as needed. Delete original audio. If you want to replace the original audio with your own narration or music, yocut lets you do that without watermarks. Filters. Apply filters to enhance the visual appeal of your videos. Third is advanced features. For more creative controls, picture-in-picture (PIP), overlay one video or image on another. Chroma key, green screen. Replace a specific color, usually green, with another video or image. Blend and mask tool. Enhance your video by adding text or emojis. Customize fonts, style and placement. Speeds control. Adjust the playback speed of your video. Speed up or slow down as needed. Delete original audio. If you want to replace the original audio with your own narration or music, yocut lets you do that without watermark. Filters. Apply filter to enhance the visual appealing of your video. Third is advanced feature. For more creative controls, picture-in-picture, overlay one video or image on another. Chroma key green screen. Replace a specific color, usually green, with another video or image. Blend and task mask tools. Create artistic effect by blending video or masking specific areas. Fourth is export and share.